Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel, My Cute Arna. So today I received this parcel from Blinkit and I also don't know what is in this because Secret Santa. So Secret Santa bought me this. So let's unbox. So this I got this in the morning. Now it's afternoon. So I thought to open with you all, so I waited, and now we are making. So let's unbox it. Oh, okay. Unboxed. I'm keeping it over here. So first are these chips. This is the blue Lays, and this is the green Lays I got. Let's keep it. Oh wow. Okay. I got this Britannia Desert Delight pack from Fudge It. Sorry, had gone somewhere. So yeah, I got this. It's a chocolate brownie right now. So I'll come in 2 minutes back क्योंकि मुझे ना अपना वो लाना है knife. So I'll come in 2 minutes. Yeah, got it. There is this game set. We'll unbox everything, these games and all also. And I don't know what is inside this. I guess some book or something. We'll unbox it afterwards. There's the last thing inside. Oh, there's the new Uno card set. It's Uno flip the deck, change the game. Double-sided cards these are. So now these are all the things I got from my Secret Santa. So now let's unbox everything. First let's start with the eating items. So there's only one eating item. First let's just keep this at a side. And this is the thing. First let's unbox. I'm not gonna unbox the chips right now, but yeah, unbox this. Okay, so there are small brownies in here. So I think there are, yeah. So there are 3 packets inside. These 1, 2, and 3. Now let's keep them inside again and move to our toy section. So I have closed it. Now let's move to our book. I think I can open it like this. Okay, so I got a doodle book over here. Doodle book in which it has doodle pictures and I'll have to just, make them beautifully. Let's keep them inside. Okay, we'll keep them afterwards. Let's keep inside. Now next is this Uno cards. These are the Uno cards. इसका टेप भी नहीं करा गया बाहर. Oh, it's difficult. God. And me too. So inside packaging came like this. I don't know why. Yeah. So there are 2 of these with the cards first. And there is the Uno flip of the manual. So now these packaging came like that, and I loved the way they packed it because you know, cards like one game I had, Pictionary. If I don't know if you have heard of that, but I had a Pictionary game, and the cards were open. They did not even pack it properly, and they were of good quality, good brand. Everything was good. Just the packaging quality was the worst part to open that. So this is my Uno flip. Now the last, and I'm really excited to open this one because it's a really, what should I say, interesting game. Gosh. So I have almost opened it. Just need to remove the packaging. Okay. So now this is the game. Let's open it. Let me see how it is. So it came with a card. I don't know what card it is. I'll check it afterwards. Let's take out our amazing card back. So again, a manual, the clue cards included, and the 50 cards there. Saying so there are all the 50 cards. Now let's keep it again inside. So our unboxing video is now over with this last box of game. So I will upload this video. Please don't forget to like, subscribe and share my video. So I will make more unboxing videos, vlogs and games, playing games and all. So bye, love you.